It's more Antonio pa rin, major projects in extension space. This project City particular. Now this project City Hunger. Like I said from my past videos, mountains in all Asia, the mountains in all Asia, those trees there can be replaced fruit bearing replaced by fruit bearing trees. Those plants that can be replaced by vegetable bearing plants. Imagine uh, all countries in Asia, all mountains in Asia filled with veggies, vegetable and fruits. Now, not only that, after that, for a while, in America, in Europe, in Australia, New Zealand, etc. All countries around the world, where mountains replace those trees with bearing trees and replace those plants with vegetable bearing plants. Imagine that so much, massive production of veggies and fruits. That will also affect piggery, poultry raising, that produces meat products, plus in projects to reflect those fish pond fisheries that giant fish that can be found squid, shrimp, favorite seafoods, etc. etc. Imagine the whole mountains and plains of the world. Imagine all fruit bearing trees and vegetable bearing plants, and not only that, your ornamental plants can be replaced, and trees will replace vegetable bearing, fruit bearing trees. At the same time, it will fight global warming. That will prevent all those major catastrophes, floods, typhoons, tsunamis, earthquakes, etc. etc. Not even there's a ozone layer, hole in ozone layer. It is not impossible that it will heal soon if this project City Hunger will be it will work, it will be applied around the world. Imagine there's massive production of fruits and veggies. A lot of nutrients and vitamins found in fruits and veggies that can heal all sickness of humans, can usually keep maintaining beauty, etc. etc. And imagine the price of foods being lower, very low. You get used to it, whether it's meat, fruits, seafoods, veggies, etc. and those trees that non-bearing that useful can be replaced by those old fruit-bearing trees. Old fruit-bearing trees can be used as lumber, wood, lumber for woods. So, so, so plenty of trees around the world that you can make a lot of lumber out of them. Again, this has been Mario Antonio Pareño from Plant Pareño, Reunition Makalimag, Manila, Philippines. Buhay Carigara Leyte, Negros Bacolod, Elizabeth. Bagay sa Labradors. Support the videos.